Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to record screen on PC while gaming. OBS is a free powerful tool for recording and streaming games, and make sure you have this on your PC. I have a link in the description below for you to install if you still don't have OBS on your PC. Here's how you can set it up to record your gameplay on your PC. Now, let's configure OBS for recording. Open OBS after installation. Next are the game capture source. In the OBS interface, locate the sources box at the bottom. Right-click, then choose Add, then hover to select Game Capture and click OK. In the Properties window, set Mode to capture any full-screen application to automatically detect full-screen games. You also have a choice to capture the cursor by checking that option. Then click OK to save it. Next, adjust recording settings. Click File, then choose Settings. In the Output tab, set the output mode to Simple. Specify a recording path on the recording path. To save your videos, you can change it by clicking Browse. Choose the recording quality, for example, high quality, medium file, or same as stream. Set the recording format to MKV or MP4. In the Video tab, set your desired resolution and FPS, for example, 1920 by 1080p at 60 frames per second. You can also go to Hotkeys tab to assign keys for starting and stopping recording. Now click Apply, then hit OK. Next, test and record gameplay. Launch the game you want to record. In the OBS, click Start Recording in the bottom right corner. When finished, return to OBS and click Stop Recording. Next, review your recording. Navigate to the folder you set in Recording Path. Play back the video to ensure the quality and performance as expected. By following these steps, you can easily record your gaming sessions using OBS, producing high-quality videos to share or review. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.